Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you're not a subscriber, why not? Please subscribe. But to my old subscribers, thank you for coming back. So today's video, I don't know, my eyebrows are acting some type of way. Like this one is, I don't know, let's just try to work with them like that. So today's video is a makeup look. It's actually an eye look, and I'm gonna start by concealing or by priming the eyes, and I'm using my concealer from Girl, and this one is a mixture of fawn and dark cocoa. This is just what was left out of my hand, but I'm just gonna go in more and prime my eyes, blend, and then set them with. I'm gonna prime, blend, and set it with a loose powder. It's been a while since I did a chit chat video on this channel, and we're just gonna talk while I do the video, while I create the look. So the first color I'm going in with is this one, and I'm going into my Juvia's Place palette. This is the Zulu palette. Where are my brushes? Like there's so much here. I'm so confused. I'm going in with this bright orange color here. This is the first color that I'm using. So I want us to talk about something today. I actually have a topic in mind, and I planned on talking about this thing on a separate video, like make a whole video on this particular topic, just because I just want to get other people's views about this. I don't know why I feel some type of way about this particular topic. Maybe I'm weird, maybe I'm just a hater or something. So I want us to talk about engagement as in getting engaged to somebody, or proposals. Yes, how people go about proposing these days. Like, what do you guys think? For me, what do you guys think? Do you prefer like a public proposal, or do you like your proposal to be private? I am not married. I hope to get married someday. I am not really crazy about marriage, but I hope to get married someday. The next color I'll go in with is this beautiful yellow shade right here. So if you follow me closely on this channel, and if you take note the way I do my makeup, I like using the same brush. Meanwhile, let's go back to our topic of discussion. Like, what made me to talk about this topic is because the other day while I didn't even watch the Emmys. Let me not come and sit here and start lying. I did not watch it. Like, no, I didn't. But the next day I was watching a recap on, I think, Wendy Williams, and I saw this big director who proposed to his girlfriend on stage, and it was so weird to me. Like, that was so weird. I didn't find it sexy at all, you know, in public like that. Personally, I prefer a private proposal. And then I'll go in with this pink shade now. It's not like public proposals are not good. They are all cute, and the whole display thing, it's cute, you know. I'm not against it, but personally I'm not all about that life. I don't think it's something that I'm gonna appreciate if whoever is gonna propose to me does it in a public place. I prefer something like that to be really private. It's just my own point of view. What do you guys think? For me, taking your proposal to a public place like the Emmys was kind of tacky. Am I a hater, or am I relating? Am I communicating with somebody? Like, please, you guys should just let me know. Maybe I'm hating on people, but I've really seen, on the other hand too, I have seen very cute public proposals. So next I'm gonna go in with my concealer, and I will just cut my crease so that whatever I'm gonna apply next is gonna pop. Of course, each time you cut your crease or each time you apply concealer on your face or on your eyes, you must make sure you set it. So I'm going back with this pink color, and I'm gonna start from my outer V very lightly to apply that color and bringing it inside and blending. So I was saying that personally I really admire some public displays. I really admire the way some people, you know, do their public proposals, especially when it seems genuine, because most of the things we see on social media are planned actions, but the people just do the acting and act as if they are surprised. So when I feel like it's genuine, I admire it, but I wish that when it comes to my turn, I don't know, it seems like I'm passing a message across. You know, I prefer private proposals, maybe something indoors or in a quiet place where it's as intimate as it can be. What do you guys think? Do you think I'm a hater? Do you really understand what I'm trying to say? Are you on the same page with me when it comes to proposing to your fiance or to your girlfriend? So I'm going into my masquerade palette. Oh my god, it's so big. And I'll be using this color first, this one right here. And then my inner tear ducts, I'll apply this one. I know the lighting today is terrible, but guys, you're gonna bear with me, okay? So we're almost done with the eyes, but before that, I'm just gonna go ahead and set my brow bone, and you guys know the drill. I always set my brow bone with this color here from my ABH palette, and I just try to blend everything around this area. So the next thing I'll do now is to go in with the concealer, and I just clean the corners of my eyes so I can give myself a beautiful wing line. Oh my god, the lighting is terrible. So I'm gonna give myself a wing line right now. I really pray this video goes up. Oh my god, because the lighting has been playing me, like seriously. Anyways, I'm gonna pop on some lashes real quick, and then I'll be back with my face done, because I don't want this video to be too long. So see you guys in a bit. So guys, this is the final look, and yeah, I decided to go in with a little bit of glitter on the middle part of my lids. This is not something that I'll usually do. This is not a makeup look that I'll usually do. This is completely out of my comfort zone, but I think I did a good job. So as far as our topic of discussion for today is concerned, I just want you guys, let's talk in the comment section below. What do you guys think? Personally, I don't like public proposals. I feel like that's something that is intimate and it should be private, or if it's supposed to be public, it should be like a big surprise. It should not be something that most of these surprises we see on TV or on social media are usually planned acts, and it's becoming unbecoming. So I'm just not feeling it anymore. Yeah, so let me know your thoughts on everything, on the look, on the topic of discussion. If you like this kind of videos, you also let me know. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching and being very patient with me on this channel, because You guys know the drill. Videos are so not consistent. So yeah. Before I go, stay pretty, stay slaying, and make sure you are subscribed to my channel. See you in my next video, and let's talk about my week. Do you like it? Do you like it? Do you like it? Of course you do. It's very basic and simple. This is something that I use for my daily activity. So see you in my next video, and let me just go. Let me go, guys.